In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve user access in Jira. Now, whether you're an admin managing your team's profiles or you're troubleshooting access issues, understanding these steps can be incredibly beneficial. First things first, let's begin by confirming if the user you're dealing with actually exists in your Jira environment. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your interface and click on the Settings cog. From there, select User Management. This will bring you to the area where you can manage all users within your Jira ecosystem. Once you're in User Management, efficiently searching for the specific user by either their email address or username is crucial. If you're unable to find the user in question, don't worry just yet. It might mean that the user hasn't been added yet, so head over to the Invite Users section. Here you can easily add them by entering their details and completing the invitation. After confirming their presence in Jira, the next essential step is to verify their product and application access. To do this, simply click on the user's name, which should bring up a detailed view of their profile. You'll see a product access section, and it's vital to ensure the user has the appropriate access to the specific Jira product they need. If it turns out that they're missing certain accesses, you'll want to click on Grant Access. This allows you to assign them to the necessary product, ensuring they have the tools they need for their work. The next area to focus on is group memberships. This is an often overlooked aspect, but very influential when it comes to what the user can or cannot do in Jira. Scroll down the user's profile until you see the Groups section. Here, you'll need to verify the user is included in the relevant groups. Common groups might include ones like Jira software users or Jira service management users. Membership in these groups can directly affect their ability to interact with various Jira offerings. If you notice that a user isn't part of a group they should be, simply click on Add to Group. This will prompt you to select the correct group, ensuring they have the appropriate memberships going forward. And there you have it, a structured and comprehensive method to resolve user access issues in Jira. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and troubleshoot user permissions, streamlining both your responsibility as an admin and the user's experience within Jira. I hope you find this guide helpful, and remember, keeping your user access in check ensures smooth workflow and collaboration within your team. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips and guides.